off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This is a Jack in the Box going 5 miles.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
I just had a DoorDash pickup for Nicholas.
Alright, yeah, the window, please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, no, it's a milk. Sorry. Have a good day.
You too. Good on her for catching that, because I didn't notice. Bro, what? I'm literally about to get there, and they just messaged me saying, ketchup, please. Oh, don't start with me today. Oh, these people. Total for that order was $10. Not a bad start. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $7 going 2.5 miles.
Yep.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee going less than 4 miles. Morning. Total for that order was $5 and change. Not amazing, but it did not take very long at all. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is going just under 4 miles. Total for that order was $6, and we got the next order right away. This is a Black Rock coffee going 5 miles. Oh, that's new, or at least it's the first time I've seen it. It said it was giving me $2 extra because it was leaving my zone. I'm not sure if that's a flat $2 on top of it, or if it's acting like peak pay where it's gonna give me a fraction of that. Either way, why has that not been a thing before? How many times have I crossed the river and gotten nothing out of it? Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $12. Okay, pretty decent tip actually. And it was a flat $2 added on top. And we just got the next order. This one is a McDonald's going 6 miles.
DoorDash for Chad. Darla, are you picking up the DoorDash?
Total for that order was $10. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going to be $13 going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Oh, this is going right back to the same apartment complex. Okay, I thought I was tripping out the first time that I got into the elevator, but nope, there's definitely some give in that elevator. Like, as soon as I walked into it, I can feel the elevator going up and down with each step that I took. Okay, it looks like we've got a stack going to the same person. This is 13 coins and Black Rock coffee going 8 miles. Ugh. Oh, but it is giving me those $2 on top of it for leaving my zone. So I guess not as much as I was originally thinking. Morning. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. You too.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. We've got a winner. Total for that stack was 25 bones. I was expecting it to be decent, but I was not expecting it to be that good. Thank you very much. And we got the next order. This is a Burgerville going 6 miles.
Good morning. Welcome in.
Hello. Thank you.
Have a blessed day.
You as well. Ooh, good tip on that one as well. Total ended up being just under $12. Well. It's been about almost 15 minutes now and no order. Just got the next order. This is a Taco Bell, $7 going like 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, and the water.
You as well. And on that note, let's go home. It's still early, but I got pretty blessed with orders today, so I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my day. Current time is 9:19. Current total is 105. So we're waiting for the tip on the order that we just did. And if we get full pay for it, should bring it up to 110. Today was a very good day. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.